Dear students, in our 1-minute revision lesson today, we will be discussing question number 2, which is an 8-mark question from paper 3 unit, Education. Here, the examiner typically asks you to explain any 2 things. Remember, we need to keep the marking criteria in mind to ensure that we do not lose marks. Always remember, we get the first mark for making a point, the second for explaining that point, the third mark for using appropriate sociological material, and the fourth mark for explaining how that sociological material supports the initial point made. Now, leave a line and use the same criteria to write the second paragraph. Let's begin. The question is, explain 2 ways in which cultural deprivation may affect educational attainment. 8. One way in which cultural deprivation may affect educational attainment is through parental attitudes toward education and work. Sociologist Douglas Strand suggests that parents' views on education play a significant role in shaping their children's academic success. If parents value education and demonstrate a positive attitude toward learning, they are more likely to provide their children with the support and encouragement necessary for academic success. This can include creating a conducive learning environment at home, staying involved in their children's education, and monitoring their academic progress. Conversely, if parents have negative attitudes toward education or prioritize work over schooling, they may unintentionally create an environment that hinders their children's educational achievement. Another way cultural deprivation affects educational attainment is through subcultural values, particularly fatalism and immediate gratification. Sociologist Barry Sugarman argues that working-class communities may hold values that undermine academic success. Fatalism refers to the belief that individuals have limited control over their future, while immediate gratification focuses on seeking instant rewards rather than long-term goals. These values can discourage educational aspirations and reduce motivation to succeed academically. For example, individuals raised in a fatalistic environment may believe that academic success is unattainable and not worth pursuing, while those focused on immediate gratification may prioritize short-term pleasures over educational goals. These subcultural values can perpetuate cultural deprivation, further hindering educational attainment for individuals from disadvantaged backgrounds. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.